Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about household chores. Most of us do these chores on a daily or weekly basis. Here are some household chores with pictures. Let's see. Make the bed, take the rubbish out, raking leaves and washing the car, weeding the garden, hang out the clothes, vacuuming and dusting, mopping, laundry, dishwashing and watering the plants, pet care, sorting waste, gardening and deep cleaning, cooking and sleeping, littering and cleaning the fan, oven washing and eating, drinking, sweeping, ironing, replacing the bulb, feed the dog and tidy up the room. Guys, as you saw, household chores are the tasks related to maintaining a clean, organized and functional home environment. Hope you enjoyed this video a lot. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and bye bye.